The transformation from skilled technician to successful CEO represents a journey that many trade professionals aspire to but find challenging to navigate. This story traces Anthony Richardson's evolution from a fire alarm technician to the founder of Secure Ed Securities, offering detailed insights for others seeking to make this crucial transition in their careers. Starting in 1998, Anthony immersed himself in the fire alarm industry, handling everything from wire pulling to ladder climbing and inspection management. Like many technicians, he initially subscribed to the common misconception that increased effort directly translated to increased value. This belief, which he later identified as the biggest lie in the trades, shaped his early career approach until a transformative moment occurred during a late-night installation. During an overnight job at an animal hospital, surrounded by the echoing sound of his drill in the empty building, Anthony experienced a profound realization. Despite his expertise in building and installing these systems, he owned nothing of what he created. No license bore his name, no clients were in his database, and no contracts existed under his company. This moment of clarity catalyzed his transformation from employee to entrepreneur. Within 6 months of this realization, Anthony successfully transitioned from being someone else's technician to establishing what would become Secure It Securities. This transformation occurred without external investors or a predetermined blueprint, but it relied on something more fundamental: a clear, systematic process for evolving from worker to owner. This process later became the foundation for his fire alarm business blueprint coaching program. The program, developed from Anthony's 2 decades of field experience, specifically targets technicians, electricians, and low voltage professionals seeking to convert their technical expertise into successful businesses. Its unique approach focuses not on accumulating more certifications or upgrading tools, but on developing effective business structures and systems. Anthony identifies 3 critical, often overlooked steps in the technician to CEO transition. The first step involves a fundamental shift in identity. He emphasizes the importance of moving beyond the self-identification as just a tech and embracing the role of a business owner, even in the earliest stages. This psychological repositioning serves as the foundation for actual business development and growth. The second step focuses on establishing structure before pursuing scale. Rather than immediately chasing new business opportunities, Anthony advocates for creating repeatable processes for quotations and documentation. His philosophy, captured in the statement, "You can't scale chaos," emphasizes the importance of systematic approaches over rapid but unsustainable expansion. The third step centers on leveraging resources effectively through people, software, and automation to multiply effort. This approach reflects a crucial distinction between working harder and working smarter, as Anthony emphasizes that successful CEOs don't simply do more work. They create systems that replace their direct involvement in day-to-day operations. One of the most significant challenges in this transition, according to Anthony, isn't managing the technical aspects like licensing, insurance, or taxes. Instead, it's overcoming the psychological attachment to being the on-site problem solver. Many technicians struggle to let go of their role as the technical hero, making it difficult to step back and lead strategically. To help others begin this transformation, Anthony provides a practical exercise, creating a comprehensive inventory of daily tasks and identifying those that could be delegated. This freedom plan becomes the foundation for building a sustainable business structure, helping technicians identify opportunities for systematic delegation and growth. The Fire Alarm Business Blueprint Coaching Program emerged as a structured pathway mirroring Anthony's own journey from job site to business ownership. Unlike typical online courses, it provides personalized coaching and practical guidance for trade professionals ready to stop trading time for a paycheck and start building sustainable businesses. Anthony's experience illuminates a crucial insight about value creation in the trades. True value increases through structure, not just through increased effort. The path from technician to CEO requires a fundamental shift in thinking. from performing the work to designing and implementing systems that enable others to perform the work effectively. The narrative emphasizes the importance of strategic decision making in building business relationships and credibility. It demonstrates that success in transitioning from technician to CEO isn't solely about technical expertise or work ethic. It's about creating sustainable systems and structures that allow for scalable growth and long-term success. This journey exemplifies a common challenge in technical fields: the transition from being an excellent practitioner to becoming a successful business leader. It requires not just technical knowledge, but the ability to step back, create systems, and build a structure that can operate independently of the founder's daily involvement. Through Anthony's experience and guidance, other technicians can learn to make this crucial transition, transforming their technical expertise into sustainable business success.